Okay, cool. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Hip Hop Rhyming.
Then you want to be a saint. Then you want to, then you king. Then you want to be a link.
Why am I using this voice? Because it sounds welcoming, warm, and kind of like a commercial. If it was in Spanish, it would be like, Bienvenidos, todo mi gente aquí, para enseñar escribir hip hop rhymes. Is that good Spanish? I don't know. I am the author of children's book, Rhymosaurs. It's upside down. Rhymosaurs? It's a blend of dinosaurs and hip hop, hence the name. So what we're gonna teach today, a specific part of hip hop rhyming, which is syllable structure, use of syllables. Now, it's not mandatory. You don't have to use multiple syllables all the time. It does sound cooler. So rhythmically to your ear, when you hear more words rhyming, it gets a little more catchy and stuck in your brain.
Then you want to be a what they think you want. Then you can't be a late. Then you want to be a win.
All right, guys, here's my nice little notes. And because of the whole space of infinite possibilities, the first word I want to start with is possible. 3 syllables, possible. The rest of the words I found to rhyme pretty good with those 3 syllables. Hospital, obstacle, popsicle, tropical, unstoppable. Well, popsicle and tropical can have a connection with heat and cooling off. Now, can you say obstacle?
Obstacle.
Ooh, very close. Now, can you say popsicle?
Popsicle.
She loves popsicle. You are unstoppable. Listen to the rhymes, cause you know it's like an obstacle. Is that a good rhyme?
Yes.
Possible.
Yes.
If you get sick, go to the hospital. You can hear the birds chirping in the back. What's up, guys? We're back. I got 2 friends here. Frankie the Frog, Freddy the Frog. What do frogs say? Yes, that's correct. Ribbit. What rhymes with ribbit? 2 syllables. How about you, Frankie? What do you think? Exhibit? Pretty good. Because that could be like the rapper or an actual exhibit. How about you, Freddy? What's another rhyme that rhymes with ribbit? Yo, yo. Knock, knock, who is it? Here to say ribbit and pay you a visit. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, dude. I'm so exquisite. You guys are good at this. All right, well, now that we're talking about frogs, let's talk about something else. What am I? Silly dad.
See that.
Yeah, that's called syllables.
Just like you.
I'm a silly dad, yeah, just like me. Silly dad, lily pad, really mad. Illy swag. It rhymes very good like that. Yo, I'm a silly dad. I got more bounce than a lily pad. People don't listen to me, I get really mad. Word, word, I got the illy swag. When they hear me rhyme, they be like, damn, you kill it bad. Here we have infinite,
Infinite.
which means a very long time. Ninja kick.
Ninja kick.
Hiya! Can I see a ninja pose? That's pretty good. And this is a big word, intricate.
Intricate.
Then here we have grind,
Grind.
rhymes,
Rhymes.
and lines.
Lines.
But again,
Oh, rhymes. Lines. That rhymes.
rhymes and lines rhymes. Yeah. So now when we mix the syllables again, watch this. Infinite grind, ninja kick rhymes, mixed with intricate lines. So it sounds like that. You mix the words and make more rhyme. Like when we do, when you rhyme sultana, banana, pajama. What's your name?
Sultana.
What do you wear at night?
Pajamas.
What do monkeys eat?
Bananas.
That is true, and you got good grammar.
Daddy, can you
Yeah?
just let it go? Because
Let it go like Elsa? Hello. Come on, dad jokes, baby.